How gorgeous is this? Well, it's a Super Sunday, and we've got a high noon start in just a few minutes' time. The Night Riders are hosting the Zooks. Darren Sammy won the toss and elected to bat first. Andre Fletcher, into his 30s these days. This is the big guy, Cornwall. And it's time for that French connection. Here he is, Carrie Pierre. Yep, there you go. First up, boo. Oh, a little risky and lucky to get a bottom edge on this one. Back to back here. Straight away. Don't ever look at the bowler, just swing the bat through the line, thanks. Oh, he's got hold of this one. And so it's in the top tier. Is it a one-hander? And we got 2 months of carom handed out. Gone length. Pollard never had a price with that. Not even KP. No, he doesn't, Moods. He says, I'm going to fat one. And here's another hero maximum. Gone miles. Balls, please. Is it going to come back? And they've been right royally entertained so far. It's almost up at the posse stand. There's that lovely bit of execution over cover. Oh, and a bit of deft touch as well. Wrist work from the big guy. What an over. Oh, big shout. Look good. Finger goes up. It's the first one down. Soon the Ryan strikes with a quicker one.
First one goes 42 for 1. Raheem Cornwall 33.
The home side are a bit happy with the start now because they've got rid of Raheem Cornwall and it's time for John Campbell. Oh, hold the pose, Spiceman.
It's an excellent start, no doubt, but they still have to be realistic. What's that in the field there from Jimmy Neesham? It's a gift.
Nice touch, beautiful touch from John Campbell to end the over. Nice shot, beautiful shot. Fielder underneath, taken. Carrie Pierre takes the catch and the TKR skipper strikes. He's a crafty performer, Kyron Pollard.
It's Andre Fletcher going for 26. It's now 72 for 2.
He's a dynamic little power player.
Well, that's nice. Simple and easy. Down on one knee. Well, let's flag the reverse sweep because he's got hold of this one. Sunshine Snacks, power shot of the afternoon. Proper shot this. Oh, and his length. He's searching for length, Narayan, and he's been put under the pump here. Slashing blade, no one down there. Has this gone for 6? I think it is. I think it's another hero maximum to ruin the over. It was going so swimmingly.
Down, and taken. A Republic Bank classic. Javon Searles holds on safely.
ځدراڼ goes for a good 26. It's 118 for 3.
Darren Sammy.
But there's a big one. This will certainly help there from John Campbell. Missing his length there, Carrie Pierre into the hitting arc. And it's gone. It's a hero maximum here. Excellent shot there from John Campbell. Inside out, all the way. Another hero maximum. Actually, one bounce.
Hit it well enough. Yes, he does. He needed this, Darren Sammy. And so too, the Zooks. He's asking about one above shoulder height. Hero maximum. Oh, that's where he's good. That's where he's good. And so strong. 150 comes up.
And this one has absolutely been creamed from Darren Sammy.
Pollard cannot surely drop this. He almost, in fact, Javon Searles.
Darren Sammy trying to muscle this one. Over long on, over long off, just hitting the toe end of the bat. Getting more height than distance, and Javon Searles held until eventually Darren Sammy goes for 16, 157 for 4.
Nisham again. Could be close, that is close, is gone. 2-2 for Jimmy Nisham, and the crowd erupts here at the Oval.
He goes 43, it's 157 for 5.
That's an excellent shot by Tisara Pereira. It should be 2, should be an easy 2. Is an easy 2 to finish off the innings. 20 overs completed, and the Zooks finish on 167 for 5. And there goes Ralphie. It's a good total on a very slow pitch here at the Queen's Park Oval, and it will take some effort from the Knight Riders if they are to win 3 of 3 at home to start this tournament.
Sarah Pereira had a solitary over in the first game, and it is Sullivan and Lyndall Simmons expectedly back at the top of the order.
And there's a lovely bit of swing. Up and over. That is Lyndall Simmons at his best. Starts with a hero maximum, and so to TKR in pursuit of 168 here. Clean, boom! It's got all the way. Here's another maximum. Soon on the right, into the thick of it. He's not going to get one there. Whippage, onside, 4. Oh, he didn't get away with a full toss here. Right up round, Rakeem, 4 more. Can't get in there. Whether it's a leg by or not, cannot bowl that line. Here's another 4. Up and away. Is it safe or out? Sunglasses are on, and it's taken. Kinach, Hodgie, high fives all round. Republic Bank Classic, into the sun, had the goggles on, and has done the job here. Brilliant.
No blanket tonight from Sunil Narayan. He has to go for 7, 29 for 1.
Half century make. He was not out 66 in the previous innings. There you go. First ball, Samuel Badri is going to be running around the box here, let alone the bowler. Second wicket down now for TKR. The silence is deafening.
34 for 2.
Time for that level head of Dinesh Ramden to come out. He's got all of this one. Here's a hero maximum to finish the 5th. It's 43 for 2 now. That is clean.
He will continue trying to go. He will continue. It won't hold him back. Another maximum from Simmons.
Oh, love you, Lyndall.
Oh, he goes again. He goes massive again. Look at this crowd here at the Oval.
Got the trumpet out himself as Lyndall.
Should elude mid-off easily. Simmons continues to be under charge, and it's a 50 for him. Very impressive. Lovely. Lovely strike, 2 full from forward. Brilliant. And another one. Another one. My goodness, familiarity breeding contempt here at the Oval.
Magnificent shot here from Dennis Ramden.
The pirate ship though, and the waterfall and everything.
Wow, I heard somebody over here jumped into the water with dancing girls a couple years ago. Is that you?
Oh, it's gone for sakes!
Wow!
You do it well. You do it well. But hello, I think there's a stumping here. We'll have to go back upstairs to you, Big Bish.
Oh, Simmons is gone, stumped off and wide. Good work behind the stumps from Fletcher, and Kabim Arch was off on a running slide.
Lyndall Simmons, after a flurry of boundaries, has to depart for a well-played 63.
Captain Pollard has come to the crease. He's batted well. Been untidy, really has been untidy from the Zooks. They've had no control whatsoever.
In the air, it's high, it's over. For a split second there, I thought it was going to be caught on the boundary, but how silly of me to think that Pollard can't clear the fence. Hit cleanly over extra cover, that'll be another boundary. Oh dear, ouch. Hero Maximum with pace.
And this one has been absolutely smacked.
Hit away for another boundary. No one back there. Too short, too easy. Clubbed wide of mid-on, and that's going to be another boundary. Cut away and cut away beautifully for another boundary. What a shot.
.50 for Dennis Ramden. All his experience and one for the little ones back at home. Appreciation all round. One to win by virtue of a wide. It really just sums up this performance in the field from the St. Lucia Zooks, but the excellence of TKR, led by Lyndall Simmons with the bat, followed up by Ramden and Pollard. And Shah Rukh Khan has been on hand to see his team fire with a 3-0 winning start to CPL, Hero CPL 2019.